Hello. Perhaps you'd be interested in a tour of Glassadazical Alamod. Behold. What we have a compact setup. We have a Bethlehem Champion. It's been my baby for 2-3 years now. Fantastic machine, love it so much. That's my backup Nortel minor for whenever someone's in here helping out. We of course have the audio situation. That's everything, as we know. Fume extraction, got a couple of high output industrial hoods. Chiseled a hole inside of my house. Goes out the other side. Got some lengths of rod and tube for whenever the need arises. We've got a pair of 10 LPM oxygen concentrators that are feeding both the Nortel and the center fire for the Champion around this little wall. We have a couple of tanks, big boy tanks, that I admittedly don't use all that often because most of my work is done with the center fire only. I had this outlet run over from my power box as some devoted circuits for the room, since everything in here uses a substantial amount of power. Anyway, we've got some art on the walls from various festival visits. I have a very special piece that was commissioned for me by Mr. Kevin Hunley, whom you'll be speaking with in other videos. That is my kiln. It's fairly basic, but we loves it. It's top loading or with the bead door in the front. I have a bit of a collection of 25 down to 2mm clear, depending on what I'm working on. I've got a bin of shorts that I've been collecting for roughly 8 years. These would be my fallen heroes that I will be resurrecting one day to get back in you guys' hands. Got some organization up in here by various things, colors and transparents or crayon colors, what have you. My shorter sections of tubing down there. That's kind of oh, my favorite part is this little drawer right here. Got a nice little, well, not nice, a small collection of foot and some tools. I actually commandeered this desk from one of my previous employers. They were going to throw it away. And I said, that's nonsense, I need that desperately. So anyway, this is Glassadazical, what a compact glassblowing shop looks like. In anyone's basement at any given time. Anyway, we will catch you next time.